The universe is vast and mysterious, but at its heart, it operates as an open system. Most of what exists isn't matter, but space. 99% of everything is nothingness. This emptiness is the universe's greatest gift, its allowance for potential and flow. The gold foil experiment. In 1909, physicist Ernest Rutherford conducted the famous gold foil experiment. His team directed a beam of alpha particles, positively charged particles, at an extremely thin sheet of gold foil. Most of the particles passed straight through the foil, but a few were deflected at sharp angles. This surprising result revealed that 1. Atoms are mostly empty space. The alpha particles passed through because there was very little solid matter in their way. 2. The mass of an atom is concentrated in a tiny, dense nucleus. The sharp deflections happened when particles hit the nucleus directly. This experiment showed that atoms, the building blocks of everything, are 99.9999% empty space. The stuff we think of as solid, tables, rocks, even our bodies, is actually mostly void, with subatomic particles like electrons moving through vast, empty regions around the nucleus. The emptiness at the atomic level scales up. The vastness of space between stars and galaxies mirrors the empty space within atoms. This openness allows for movement, flow, and interaction, essential features of an open system. This discovery fundamentally shifted our understanding of the material world, emphasizing the importance of space and potential rather than solidity. Open systems are defined by their capacity to allow energy, matter, and information to flow freely. This flow creates the conditions for natural systems, like ecosystems, weather patterns, and even the neural pathways in our brains, to emerge. These are fractal systems, regular systems born from openness. The mycelial network is a perfect example. Beneath every forest, fungi connect trees, plants, and soil, creating a shared resource network. Mycelium doesn't hoard, it distributes. This is the nature of a regular system. It nurtures growth through connection and flow. Ecosystems thrive on regular systems of flow, and fungi are key players in this process. Fungal spores are so lightweight, they float into the atmosphere, where they seed clouds by attracting moisture, helping raindrops form. Weather patterns spread these spores across vast distances, creating a feedback loop. Spores form clouds, clouds produce rain, and rain nourishes fungi. During storms, lightning strikes stimulate the growth of fungi and release more spores. This ongoing cycle, spores seeding clouds, weather spreading spores, storms fueling fungal growth, sustains nature's balance. The Schumann resonance, Earth's heartbeat, arises from the electrical discharges of constant lightning, which emerge from this process. Fungi, as ancient and intelligent organisms, not only drive these cycles, but also store carbon in the soil, supporting life while connecting ecosystems. It's almost as if clouds are alive, carrying the living matter of fungal spores, resonating with nature's flow. Our cardiovascular systems, too, mimic this fractal flow. Blood and nutrients travel across a branching network, reaching every cell. Neurochemical systems in the brain operate on a similar principle, relying on open pathways for communication and adaptation. Flow occurs through fractal pathways best. Yet, somewhere along the way, humanity began to construct closed systems. Corporations, economies, and nations operate like barriers, preventing flow. Resources and energy are hoarded, not shared. These systems, what the situationists called the spectacle, aren't regular systems. They don't allow growth, only stagnation. The result is entropy, pollution, inequality, and climate change. These are not accidents. They are the consequences of closed systems disrupting the regular and fractal flowing systems of nature. But what if we organize differently? What if we embrace the regular systems of nature as our guide? Mycelium shows us a better way. It doesn't discriminate or value one part of the network over another. It supports all, distributing resources where they're needed. Imagine a society modeled after this. No barriers, no hoarding, just flow. The universe began as an open system, and we are its children, fractal regular systems born of chaos. When we embrace flow, when we let go of closed systems, we rediscover the creative potential at the heart of everything. It's not too late to change. Like the mycelial networks beneath our feet, we can reconnect and create a world of abundance, resilience, and hope.